Hey kids, do you know what we do when we have an emergency? Do you know the number that we need to call? That's 911. Over 70% of 911 calls are made by cellular phones that your mom and dad have. You simply press the button 911 and then hit the green button on the cellular device. Once that cellular device is initiated, you will talk to a dispatcher. You want to make sure you tell them what the emergency is, your name, and your location. Always remember to stay on the phone with that dispatcher. Children, when you get home, ask your mom and dad to show you how to dial 911.
Hey boys and girls, my name is Firefighter Brandon. I'm with Emerald Isle Fire Department. Behind me, we have our engine 1. Come with me. This is where the engineer drives the fire truck. Come on. When we drive the fire truck, we have to sit in this seat. It is 5 feet all the way to the top. This is where we get safely to the call whenever there's an emergency. Come with me, come with me. I can have 4 friends back here. 4 of my best friends. Watch out. My turnout gear. We have my boots and my pants ready to go. So whenever there is an emergency, I can get there as fast and safely as possible. Now this is where I sit. This is the firefighter seat. I ride backwards to the call. Don't ever think that it's safe to ride backwards to the call. You gotta have a seatbelt. Always wear your seatbelt whenever you're in a vehicle. This is my SCBA. This is my air pack where I can go into a house that's smoky and breathe fresh, clean air. All right? You wanna see what's behind this door right here? This is our engineer compartment. This is where we can get water from the fire truck to the fire. From here, we have all these shiny buttons where we can pull and get the water to this hose all the way to the fire. Hey boys and girls, this is our ladder truck. You're the first class to see our new ladder truck. This ladder is 100 foot long. Wow, can you believe that? I'm gonna get in the driver's seat. Why don't you get in the passenger seat? Come on. Always buckle up for safety. Remember, safety first. Wow, I'm gonna turn this truck on. All right, so I want you to hit this red button for me right over here. Let's turn these red lights on. You want to hear the siren?